Alright, I'm just gonna cut this.
Okay.
Oh, wowie.
Oh.
Let's see what's inside there. Whoa, it's like a map. It's like a treasure map. It's like a treasure map.
Hello?
Wow, look at this. You just gotta dump it all like that, huh? Huh? Huh, Presten? Let's open this up. Let's open this. Whoa! Wow, this is nice. All right, this is nice. Hey, look at this. Whoa! Let's line them up. Let's line it up. Let's line them up. Okay, let's line it up. Look at that. Cool toys, huh? What you got there? It's a dump truck, huh? Look at this. Whoa. All right. Grandpa is more excited than you. Good boy. We're gonna have some fun, huh? Whoa. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out for the car. No, just sit that side. You sit that side.
No.
You sit that side.
Outside.
Yeah. Can you sit right there?
No.
Sit right there.
The papa.
Go do now. Go sit over there. Sit right there. So we're gonna play, okay? Come on.
No, go do it.
You cannot do it? Okay.
Go do it.
You cannot do it.
Do it more.
Huh?
Go, come on. Go, come on.
Hey, come back here.
Can you pose? Can you pose?
I'm out.
Pose?
Thank you.
Can you pose?
I love you.
Yeah, pose. Smile.
Why give the cost of the fight?
Smile, baby. Smile. Look at camera. Baby.
Hey, man. How come you abandoned me? Huh? How come you abandoned Grandpa? Why your room looks so purple?
Yeah.
Huh, Grandma? Why your room looks purple?
I don't know.
Look, all of a sudden my screen is turned purple.
Because my thing is purple.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. But, hey, dude, you look like Bonnie. You're purple like Bonnie. Your skin tone is purple. What's happening? Are you mad at Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why? Why are you mad at Grandpa? We got new toys. We got no toys. How come you don't want to play with Grandpa? Huh? Come on. Let's go back and play.
No.
Why? Why? You get upset very
I
fast?
can't.
Yeah?
I can't.
Why not? You were excited a moments ago.
I want to park.
You want to go to the park? Not at this time.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the
Uh-oh.
That's it.
Maybe this guy made you look purple. Look at all his color.
Just sit down.
Huh?
Sit down. Just sit down. Just sit down. Oh, that's too big.
Too big?
That's too big.
Wow. Hey, maybe we play on Grandma's bed, huh?
Aww. That's so cute.
He's so cute. That llama is so cute.
Llama.
It's so cute.
That one's cute too. You
What's
got
that, Presten?
you got a name for that?
Owl.
It's an owl? Let me see.
Okay.
It does look like an owl. It look like you. Are you ready to go to work? All right. Let me see. Whoa. Look at Presten Construction. Look at that. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'll go work.
Yeah, you gotta go to work. Brum, 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 brum. Okay.
Bye.
All right.
Bye. I will go work too.
Yeah? You wanna go to work too?
I go back because No.
What you have? Look at this guy.
Butter.
Wow. We gotta block the road first.
It's a bucket.
Okay.
The bucket.
For the work site to be safe.
How are we doing?
Let me get this cone.
Bucket.
Let's block the road first.
Hey. But the road first.
Yeah, block the road first.
Yummy.
What's
This-
yummy?
Yummy coffee.
You can make coffee? You're not old enough to drink coffee.
Okay. This is mom.
But look like you need coffee to stay up to work, right?
This is mom.
Yeah?
This is mom. This is mom. This is yummy.
All right. Okay. Let's set up construction zone right here. Oh. Right? Because we're building a building right here. It's a 3-story building. Look at that. Preston, you gonna finish building this big giant building right here? Huh? Look all the help
This is
you
mom.
have.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah? That's the man that run all of this. Yep, that's the man. What you doing? Are you busy drinking? On a job? Huh, dude? You busy drinking?
Nah.
What did you drink?
I take a coffee.
You drink coffee? Oh my God. You're gonna have a lot of caffeine. You're gonna be so hyper.
I was
All right. This is a cone, but it's okay. Let's cheer. Cheer. Whoa. All right.
Yummy.
All right, because we need some energy, huh? We need to stay up.
This is mom.
You need some more?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can you? Well, let's become a cup of coffee. You gonna share? Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's cheer. Cheer. Before work, okay? Before we go to work. Wow.
Wow.
How's it taste? Taste good?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's it taste like?
I still love coffee.
Tastes like coffee? This guy been drinking a lot of coffee.
This is mom. This is mom.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to go to work, okay?
It's hot.
It's hot?
It's hot.
Oh my.
Hot.
Yeah?
Oh, it's hot. Hot coffee.
Hot coffee, huh?
It's hot.
Oh wow.
It's hot.
I don't think we can go work any soon. He
Sammy.
look like he's drinking coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah? Let me know when you're ready to go to work, okay, Preston? Yeah?
Okay.
Look, I got the construction zone in the safety code. All right, we
I
got.
want coffee.
You want some more coffee?
Okay.
Oh no.
Here you go.
Thank you. Are we gonna have coffee again?
Yes.
Break time? We haven't worked yet. All right. Wow, tastes so good. Tastes so good. All right, we got to put the coin back. Cone. Coin. This is a cone. Okay, you ready? When you're done drinking, put the cone back, okay? For public safety.
No coffee.
Yeah? Okay.
Just go.
Okay. So what we have here, Preston? Okay, we got a crane here, and we are trying to finish this building right here. Right.
This is my coffee.
But my boss is busy
Here you go.
drinking.
Here you go.
Hey,
Coffee.
coffee, huh?
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. All right. Well, I got to drink with my boss. All right. I'm good. I'm good now. I'm good now. What happened?
I go sleep.
You go to sleep already? I thought we're gonna have to finish this building right here.
No.
I thought we're gonna have to finish.
No.
No, not yet. When?
And then that.
Not yet?
What's your this? Too hot.
It's too hot. I know. It's a hot weather, man. All right. Hey, boss. Wake up, boss. You just drink a lot of coffee.
Huh?
How come you fall asleep? You're not supposed to be sleeping when you drink a lot of coffee. Get up, get up,
No.
get up, boys. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, let's get up. Let's finish building this building, man. Look.
No.
No? Let me show you what Preston has. He got a dump truck here. He got big tall crane here. And safety gears. Safety equipment. We got this. Whoa, look at that. Cool. So, the coal can pass through. And we got a cement truck here. Brum, 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 brum. We got utility truck here.
Hey.
What happened?
A second.
Huh? You decided to wake up? You decided to wake up? Look, everybody's ready to go. Everybody ready to go to work. Whoa.
Go work? No,
Yeah.
no, go.
Why not? I think you're lazy, boss.
I go sleep.
You go to sleep? No, but we run out of time. We run out of time.
No.
We need to finish this building. Look, it's halfway done. Look, see?
No.
All right, we gotta finish this, man.
No. Hey.
We gotta finish this.
No.
Look, everybody's waiting for you. Look, everybody's lining up to go to work.
No.
Come on.
No.
You want some more coffee?
Yeah. I just want more coffee.
Oh no! You little giant baby.
Here you go.
What's that?
Coffee.
Is coffee? Oh no. Look at the chair. Cheers.
You work very hard. You hungry?
Look, all these people inside the truck. They're waiting. They're waiting. Look.
Come on, baby.
Whoa! Look at that.
That.
No.
Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that. Whoa, look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 truck.
It's yummy.
I know it's yummy, but that's not the way to do it, man.
That's yours.
Huh?
It's Tawa coffee. Dum dum.
Yeah.
Tawa coffee. I Tawa coffee.
This is a construction cone, and he uses it as a cup to drink coffee. Oh man.
Go sit.